Students, now we are going to learn the concept of helping verb. It is called second part. Helping verb can be divided into three parts. That is called be form, have form, and do form. Be form verbs are called am, is, are. It is present tense. Was, were, past tense. Have form. Have form verbs have, has, present tense and had, past tense. Do form. Do, does, present tense and did, past tense. Here we must understand one concept here. What is the main difference between main verb and helping verb? For example, go, you can understand. If I say go means, you can understand. Oh, go. Come, ba. Tell, hello. You can understand. But if I say this helping verb, yam, what is the meaning? No meaning. Have, had. There is no perfect meaning under this helping verb. It is why main verbs give direct meaning V1, here it doesn't give full meaning. Helping verbs are very dangerous. We must use this helping verb with some alert. Alertness is not there means it is highly wrong indeed to understand or to use helping verb. Now let us understand. Yam, iddene, agiddene. I am here, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I am a teacher, ನಾನು ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I am a professor, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I am going, ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. Is, ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಇದೆ. Okay, he is an intelligent student. They are in the classroom. There are so many books in the bag. I was going to college yesterday. They were going to college yesterday. It is why am, is, are present tense, was, were past tense. Be for helping verb. Now onwards we will use only short forms. We are not going to say the words completely. Am, is, are, no concept. Be form singular, be form plural, present tense, past tense. Have form singular, plural, present tense, past tense. That's all. Do form also. Do form singular, plural, present tense, past tense we will use. There also V1, V2, V3. That is enough indeed. Now listen. Have form verbs. There are three have form verbs. There are 5 be form verbs. There are 3 do form verbs. Here have, has, present tense, had, past tense. Here do form, do, does, present tense and did, past tense. Now, why is helping verb necessary? We will understand now. For example, see, I go. Can you understand? Yeah, ನಾನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೇನೆ today or tomorrow. No problem. But what happens? I going. Now tell me, is there any meaning to I going? No. ನಾನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ. There is no meaning at all. It is why when we have this blank here, V1 plus ing doesn't give any meaning. Here we want one helping verb. It is why helping verb must be used properly. There shouldn't be any least confusion under using this helping verbs. For example, I going. Here what happens? See, am going. Then what happens? I was going. See, helping verb will give the tense of this main verb. It is why am is called helping verb. Going is called V1 plus ing. It is called main verb. It is why helping verb is important when we are using ing form V1 plus ing. There is no V4, V5, V6, V7, that is unnecessary. V1, V2, V3, V1 plus S, V1 plus ing. This is the concept. There are 18 types of main verbs. That is unnecessary. The world is so vast, the language is so vast. What is required for us, we will learn for completing this second PUC English year. It is why we must know the concept of this one. V1, V2, V3, V1 plus S, V1 plus ing. That means what? V1 go, V2 went, V3 gone, V1 plus ing goes, V1 plus S goes, V1 plus ing going. V1 go, V2 went, V3 gone, V1 plus S goes, V1 plus ing going. It is the concept. V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6. It is unnecessary. It is really wrong indeed to understand what concept in that order. It is why V1, V2, V3, V1 plus S, V1 plus ing. It is enough. So, I am going present tense, I was going past tense. It is a concept. Next, have form. Have has present tense, had past tense. I have a car, present tense. He has a car, past tense. I had a car, past tense. He had a car, past tense. It is called past tense. Next, I do a work, present tense. He does a work, present tense. I did a work, past tense. He did a work, past tense. So, did can be used to all pronouns and nouns, and this past tense can be used to all. Was singular, were singular plus plural. It will be explained in the maximum order later on. Now, what we have to understand, we will come back here. It is the concept of V3. How to understand this concept of V3? Here we have come to know that we must use one helping verb here. How many types of helping verbs are there? 3. So, one be form or have form must be here. For example, I killed V2, but I have killed. It will become, so killed will become V3 here. Have is called have form. What I have said, one helping verb must be there before the past participle verb. It is why have form or be form, one out of two must be used. Then only we can use V3. Then what is the meaning of have form plus V3? Be form plus V3, it is very important. If you can understand this concept, this have form plus V3, be form plus V3, then you can answer question number 26, fill in the blanks with the right form of the one, another one 27, report any speech, and you can understand the concept of present tense, past tense and future tense. It is why have form plus V3, be form plus V3, there are two concepts here. But do form plus V3, never, never, never. I have killed, I am killed, I have killed, have form plus V3. I am killed, be form plus V3. But I do killed, I did killed, he does killed, no, never, never, never. Have form plus be form. One out of two must take place before this concept V3. Then only your English can be refined and it can be modified. You can understand very well. So, question number 26 will be discussed in my next class. You must understand verbs can be divided into main verb and helping verb. V1, V2, V3. Go, went, gone, see, saw, seen, again, here, helping verb, be form, am is or present tense, was or past tense, have form, have has present tense, and had past tense, do form, do, does, present tense, did, past tense. Here V3 never can be used without any helping word. We must use be for or have for, then only it will become meaningful. In my next session, I will discuss question number 26, question number 27. What is the concept of have form plus V3 or be form plus V3? It will be discussed in my next session. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.